What is up, everybody? Blue Moon Mining here, and today's video is going to be about, well, Kaspa and Kaspa ASIC miners. So, basically, the concept of this video is going to be, what do you do when you don't want Kaspa and you want to get paid out in different rewards without going through the struggle of having to find an exchange to change it into a different coin or exchange it into a different coin? So we have a couple options here. Of course, everyone knows about these two, and I want to get into how you can do that. So right now I'm going to be using my Ice River KS0. It's the only Kaspa ASIC I have. Right now at about 16 cents a kilowatt hour, even though electric cost doesn't really matter with this fucking beast. We're looking at about $5.31 a day in profit after electric, which is only 25 cents a day. So this bad boy right here does 100 gigahash at around 70 some watts at the wall. 65 watts is this stock. For the, well, really anything, they just kind of go off of average base load, but it usually gets around 71, sometimes 80 watts if you put a little USB fan on there. So that's how many watts this bad boy's doing, and it's still making over $5 a day. Of course, the hash rate continues to climb, as well as the difficulty as time goes on, and more of these ASIC miners start coming out for Kaspa, but it's still profitable, so I'm still happy with it. Now, this is the interface that everyone's used to looking at. You got your hash rate information, how long the ASIC miner's been running. It does not update when you update the mining settings, so if you want it to be up to date, you just click restart and it'll have all this reset. But right now, my first option I want to go to, everyone knows about it, it is unminable. Right now I have it mining on unminable, just got it running. So it's mining Bitcoin on unminable just for a base. I already have one of my Bitcoin wallets open, so I might as well use that so I can get the address quickly. But yeah, so it is mining Bitcoin on K heavy hash. Now unminable has just recently, as of yesterday, added support for ASIC miners, such as the KS0, KS1 and 2, and the KS3 and KS3L. When you are mining it, you want to go to GPU 3 gigabyte. It will give you the it will give you what you need. So if you go to mining settings, it's going to give you the stratum. The only thing that is different is that the stratum's port usually is 4444, but for the KS0, it is 4445, the KS1 and 2 is 4446, and the KS3 and KS3L is 4447. And if you want to do SSL, it is just a 1 in front of that. So for me, I was trying to get this figured out, trying to get it running, but I did finally get it running because I just noticed this on the side. So I changed my port to 4445. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like here. So basically the pool, if you want to know how to mine, you click start, you go to K heavy hash, and you click get started. Never mind, don't click that. Hold on here. Shut up, phone. All right, don't get click started because that's going to bring you to their software, and you're trying to do this on an ASIC miner. So you want to do K heavy hash and click get started with our wizard. So then you want to click either basic or advanced. I'm just going to go with basic. You're going to go graphics card, K heavy hash. You're going to select what coin you want to mine. These are all the coins you can mine, which is why unminable is one of the top picks for people that do not want to mine a certain coin. They'll go to unminable and they can mine any of these coins. So yeah, they got a lot of different coins. You can even mine Monero with this thing if you wanted to. But I'm going to click on Bitcoin. You're going to put your Bitcoin address in. So I'm going to go over here, copy it out of my address. I'm going to paste it, click next. Now, referral code. I have great news. I have a referral code with them, and it will get you 0.75% off the pool fee. So if you guys want to use it, it is Blue Moon Mining. I have it linked down in the description below if you also want to use it. But if you guys do not want to use it, or you have a different referral code that you want to use, just click continue without referral code, or put whatever referral code you want there. But mine is Blue Moon Mining. It will get you 0.75% off of your mining pool fees. So just keep that in mind. But then you just go ahead and click next, and it's going to give you all this. So how do you do it? You want to go to your mining settings, of course. You're going to copy this right here. So you're just going to take that, copy it. You're going to take it over here. You're going to delete all this, and then you're going to paste it. Now, this is where people might get a little messed up. They might forget to do this. You are mining with a K heavy hash ASIC. You're mining with an Ice River ASIC. So what you want to keep in mind is that you do want to change that last number. So I'm mining with a KS0. Mine needs to be 5. If you have a KS1 or 2, that is going to be 6. And then KS3 or 3L will be 7. So that's what you want to do. Then you want to go back here, and you're going to copy this whole thing right here. So it's going to be the BTC : your Bitcoin address .unmineable _worker _ whatever the hell that is. And the hashtag Blue Moon Mining is for the referral code. So you're just going to copy that whole entire text. You're going to go to your wallet worker, and you're just going to paste that. Now, password, just keep it X. And then after that, you just click save. And the ASIC miner is going to start mining to unmineable. It's going to take a little bit. It's not going to do it right away, but it will start switching over and start mining to unmineable. Then what you want to do is you just go to address, and you enter your address. And once you click search, it will show up all the workers once it finally shows up at the pool. And of course, you mine a K heavy hash, so it will have one worker under that. Now, you can keep track about payments and all that other stuff, your stats, what your mining balance is going to be. You can also change your payment threshold and stuff. I'm pretty sure that is the minimum for Bitcoin. So yeah, it's as easy as that. You can mine any coin that they have listed on here if you do want to. If you don't want to mine Bitcoin with it, you know, they got all those other coins that you can. So yeah. But yeah, so these are all the other coins that they have. I got Dogecoin, I got Shiba Inu, Pepe if you are inclined to mine that, you know. They got all sorts of different coins that you can mine, and if you want to, all you need is your address. Place it into that little wizard, and you can mine it away. So that's how you do it on Unmineable. Now, the other one is also a very easy one. I've been doing this lately. So you want to go to NiceHash. NiceHash now has support for Ice River Kaspa ASICs again. Or now they do. So this one's really easy. You can't go wrong with this one. You just want to click download miner or add ASIC. Go to the Stratum generator. You want to go scroll down, and you want to find K heavy hash, which is right here. Simple as that. You click copy. You go over to your mining settings. You get rid of this. You just paste it in. There you go, kheavyhash.auto.nicehash.com, and the port is 9200. You then want to copy your username, aka it's just going to be your wallet address for NiceHash. You just go ahead and click copy, go over to wallet/worker, and you just click V. If you want to name it, I'll name it KS0. Password is always X. I never really change the password. It's usually just X. You click save. Operation succeeded. So then you just give it a couple minutes for it to readjust to the pool, and eventually it's going to show up under mining. It's going to show the rig name, when it was last online. It's going to give all the information, profitability today. Again, what I've noticed about NiceHash is that because it is a hash power marketplace, people are buying your hash power. There are times that people may overpay for that hash power, meaning that your profitability may go up in that instance. It's not a guarantee, but it will happen sometimes, as evidence from the D9 era, when everyone was overpaying for those D9 ASICs that were on NiceHash. So they were making about $60 a day, when usually they made like 5 or something. So just keep that in mind. It does take a couple minutes just for it to pop up at the pool. But yeah, your Bitcoin will be right here. This is how much you mine. This is your profitability. So it's going to show you how much profit you're making, your unpaid balance, and when it would next be paid into your wallet. Now, if you are mining to nice hash, you do have more options than just mining a nice hash. You can take your profits and go to the hash power marketplace, and you can mine whatever coin you want through script, SHA, and all that stuff. You can mine all these coins with the marketplace, and not recommended because it is technically gambling. You have easy mining as well, which I have a horrible addiction to, so I need to stay clear of this section as much as possible. But it's basically you spend 0.00 this and whatever amount of Bitcoin you want to spend, and you buy a solo mining package, and you may or may not hit a block. So I would not recommend this because it's very bad gambling, but you guys can do whatever you want with your money. But this also shows how many people have hit blocks. I hit a few Raven blocks about a week ago, so I can't complain, but they were worth a lot more when I hit them. So yeah, that's a nice thing about nice hash. Unmineable is also nice because it has a plethora of different coins that you can mine and get paid out in. So, and it's also nice that I do have a referral code that will get you a little discount on your pool mining fee. So yeah, keep that in mind. I will have a link down for both of these websites in the description if you want to check it out. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.